2021 was one of the worst years of my life. Nothing particularly bad happened, but the biggest issue was that nothing really happened at all. For a whole year, I felt like my life was just standing still, and it was overwhelmingly depressing. So, for 2022, I set a New Year's resolution to start achieving things again. I went back to school, moved away from home, started routinely working out, and did so many other little things that I wanted to get done. But looking back on that year, I think I fell victim to one of the biggest lies that we're told nowadays. I truly thought that productivity was the key to my happiness. But now, at the end of the year, I'm realizing that that message is fundamentally flawed. Yes, it is true that if you never get out of bed and do anything, life is going to feel pretty bland. However, if your idea of happiness is a goal that you have yet to achieve, you're never going to reach it. I think the real key to happiness is gratitude. At the end of the day, there is still going to be something more that you want to do. But if you take some time to be thankful for what you have now, you'll always be able to be happy.